So we guys are going to be graphing not vertical or not horizontal. In other words, the fancy word for that is oblique. Oblique just means that it's diagonal. It's not horizontal, not vertical. It doesn't matter the direction of the diagonality. There you go. Almost pulled out Harry Potter, diagonally. Okay. So when you guys go to graph this, remember the first thing that you're going to do is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you put a dot. The slope is 2/3, so you're going to rise 2, run 3. If you want to do another dot, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you're welcome to. It has the equal sign, so it's solid. I missed. Let me erase that and try again. Okay, for me that's not so bad. And it says y is greater than or equal to, so this is above the line, so you shade above it. Okay? This one, since I made a mess, I'm going to rearrange that, or sorry, erase that, so I can do this one. But I'm shading above it. Okay? First thing you do is the y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a slope of 3/2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. If you want to do it again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, you're welcome to. It has the equal sign, so it's a solid line. This says y is less than, so you shade below the line. Okay? You shade below it. Below it is so horizontal line. This is above, this is below. Now I'm going to incline it a little bit. This is still above the line. This is still below the line. This would be greater than, y is greater than, this would be y is less than. Below the line is less than. Don't think of it as left and right. Think of it as above and below. Okay? Y-intercept's -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slope is -2/3, so remember it's this or this. Down 2, right 3, 1, 2, 3. If I did that one, just in case you wanted to, 1, 2, 3. So it's back 3. The line is solid because it has the equal sign. I should have done some without it. How about I just make up the next one to have that? Y is greater than, so I'm going to shade above this. Okay? I'm shading above all of it. So let's try this one. How about on this one I get rid of that? Okay? So you start with the y-intercept of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope is either this or that. So let's do this one. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2. If I did that one, it would be up 3, back 2. The line is going to be dashed because it doesn't have the equal sign. Y is less than. This is above the line, this is below the line. Below is less than, so I'm shading below it. Okay? All right. If they give it to you not in slope-intercept form, well, make it in slope-intercept form. Subtract the x. -5y is less than -x plus 20. Divide by -5, and remember when you do that you have to switch the direction of the inequality. So that would be 1/5 x minus 4. So you go to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/5, so up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? The line is dashed because it doesn't contain an equal sign. Y is greater, so you're shading above it. Okay? Now just so you can see it happen in Delta Math, let's jump over there and see if I've got it ready. Okay? That's the same equation. So remember, it was 1/5. Here, how about I do this? So there that is. And if I come here, let's scoot this down. If I scoot this over, we can still see it. Okay? All right, it says graph it. So we put a dot at -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put a dot there. The slope is 1/5. So you go up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. It doesn't see a choice here for doing the inequality that's dashed. But let's see what happens here. Change the shade. So no, yes, we shade above it. We were shading above it. Okay. Now it's not giving us the option for dashing. So let's see what happens when we go and submit. Where did it give me that? Maybe that was the change line thing. Okay, so let's try. Okay, I don't want one that's solid. I don't want one that's, there we go. Okay, so over here, x plus 6y is less than 6. Cut the x off. 6y is less than negative x plus 6. Divide by 6. And we have y is less than, we don't change the direction, negative 1/6 x plus 1. Okay, so we've got plus 1 and negative 1/6, so down 1 over 6. Okay, change the line. There we go. Yep, we did have to do that. Now y is less than, so we're going to shade under it. Yep, so now we shade under it. Submit answer. There we go. Okay. Thank you guys for your time. Appreciate it. Have yourself a great one.